Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By supposedly utilizing Ford's vast experience in both chassis engineering and design innovation, the 2026 Ford Mega Motorcoach is an ambitious attempt to reshape the standard for luxury recreational vehicles. This hypothetical car aims to satisfy a discriminating customer looking for the pinnacle of mobile living by seamlessly fusing a strong Ford foundation with an unparalleled degree of luxurious luxury and technical sophistication. A significantly altered and expanded version of one of Ford's sturdy commercial chassis, maybe based on their heavy-duty truck or bus platforms, would probably serve as the basis for the 2026 Ford Mega Motorcoach. This would provide a sturdy and reliable construction that could sustain the significant weight and size that come with a Mega Motorcoach. It is expected that the powertrain would have a strong and effective Ford diesel engine, designed to deliver enough torque for smooth cruising and the capacity to handle a variety of terrains. For a car of this size to have a smooth and elegant ride, sophisticated air suspension systems and electronically controlled damping would be essential. The 2026 Ford Mega Motorcoach's appearance would probably combine a strong presence with aerodynamic efficiency. The entire design would focus optimizing interior space and integrating wide panoramic windows to provide occupants with expansive views of their surroundings, all while maintaining a recognizable Ford style in the front fascia. One important element would be integrated slide-out parts, which would greatly increase the living rooms at the push of a button. Powered awnings, premium external lighting, and well-thought-out storage spaces would all improve the use and aesthetic appeal. Internally, the 2026 Ford Mega Motorcoach would aim for the standards of a high-end mobile home, surpassing traditional RV luxury. An ambience of sophisticated elegance would be created by using high-end materials such as custom cabinetry made from exotic hardwoods, soft leather furniture, and carefully chosen stone or composite counters. The living areas, which can include separate dining and lounge sections, would be well-proportioned. Foodies would be satisfied by a gourmet kitchen furnished with top-notch appliances. King-size mattresses and spa-like facilities would be features of the bedroom quarters, which would be built as private havens. The 2026 Ford Mega Motorcoach would prioritize technological integration. Using user-friendly interfaces, a complete smart home system will regulate the lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security functions. While on the go, smooth communication and information access would be guaranteed by sophisticated navigation and connectivity technologies. Large-screen TVs, high-end sound systems, and satellite connectivity are probably among the entertainment options available. Essentially, Ford's engineering expertise and its everlasting dedication to luxury and technological innovation are combined in the 2026 Ford Mega Motorcoach. For individuals who require the highest level of comfort, functionality, and style for their travels, it offers a mobile haven and conceptually symbolizes the pinnacle of recreational vehicles. Despite being speculative, this car represents Ford's potential to greatly increase its market share in the upscale RV sector.